CBAM Readiness. CBAM, how to make decarbonization efforts pay off. The Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism (CBAM) is an EU policy tool designed to prevent carbon leakage by imposing a carbon price on imports of certain goods from countries with less stringent climate regulations. CBAM Readiness, how to make decarbonization efforts pay off, focuses on helping companies prepare for CBAM compliance while maximizing the economic benefits of their decarbonization initiatives. To make decarbonization efforts financially rewarding under CBAM, companies must first thoroughly understand their carbon footprint across supply chains and implement robust emissions monitoring and reporting systems. Early investments in cleaner technologies and processes not only reduce direct emissions but also lower the financial impact of CBAM levies on imported goods. Transparency and accurate documentation of embedded emissions become critical for demonstrating compliance and avoiding penalties. Additionally, aligning decarbonization strategies with CBAM requirements can improve market competitiveness, as buyers increasingly favor low-carbon products. Governments and businesses should collaborate to build capacity, share best practices, and develop enabling policies that support green innovation. In summary, CBAM readiness involves strategic planning, enhanced emissions data accuracy, and proactive decarbonization to turn regulatory compliance into a competitive advantage, ensuring that sustainability efforts translate into economic gains. Published on 2026-04-26 at 001501. Now to today's Market Watch. Today's Market and Policy Watch. No verified market or policy updates were confirmed for this run.